I'm in the 1980 list, and so there are a bunch of, it's taking a while because there's a bunch of, this is for every single site station in the US that it's trying to list out the different files for. But the way that you would pull it then is, you would just say get and then whatever the station ID that you're looking for is .gz because it's a zipped file. And then when you finish that and you get it, it'll download it for you. And then you exit out of the FTP by saying bye, B-Y-E, and then you can unzip the file in R using gunzip. And then you'll have that raw data that we use to start cleaning from that. And all of that is in the file that I'll send to you guys. Do you guys have any last questions or comments? Yeah. Okay. Yeah, I can help with that. But yeah, with that, formally ended.
Thanks for coming.
Thank you.
There we go. Thank you guys.